Welcome to ExpressIRSForms. Quickly e-file your 1099 and W-2s through IRS authorized ExpressIRSForms and successfully transmit to the IRS in just a few steps. Your easily accessible 1099 INT form template is ready to be filled here that keeps you hassle-free. Here you can add the federal information in terms of amount for the 1099 INT form. Please note, if you have made any payments to exempt recipients or any interest being excluded, you need not file Form 1099 INT. Enter details for the boxes 1 through 10 in amount for this return 1099 INT that needs to be reported to the federal government and ensure the payer and recipient details are accurate. For box 1, enter interest income amounts of $10 or more, even if it's not designated as interest, that are paid or credited to the person's account by savings and loan associations. Do not include interest entered in box 3. Box 2. Enter the interest or principal forfeited because of an early withdrawal of time deposits that is deductible from gross income by the recipient. Box 3. Enter interest on U.S. saving bonds and e-treasury bills, notes, and bonds. Do not include this amount in box 1. Box 4. Enter backup withholding. For example, if a recipient doesn't furnish their TIN to you, you must backup withhold at a 28% rate on payments required to be reported in box 1, 3, and 8 on this form. Box 5. For single class REMICs only. Enter the regular interest holder's proportional share of investment expenses deductible by a single class REMIC. Box 6. Enter any foreign tax withheld and paid on interest in US dollars. Box 7. Enter the name of the foreign country or U.S. possession to which the withheld tax in box 6 applies. Box 8. Enter interest of $10 or more that is used to finance government operations and is issued by a state, the District of Columbia, a U.S. possession, a Native American tribal government or their political subdivisions, or qualified volunteer fire departments. Box 9. Enter interest of $10 or more from specified private activity bonds. Box 10. For a taxable or tax-exempt covered security acquired with market discount, if the taxpayer notified you that a Section 1278B election was made, enter the amount of the market discount that incurred on the debt instrument during the tax year in the amount of $10 or more. Box 11. For a taxable covered security acquired at a premium, enter the amount of bond premium amortization that can be allocated to the interest paid during the tax year. Box 13. Enter the amount of bond premium amortization allocable to the interest paid during the tax year. If you reported a net amount of interest in box 8 or 9, whichever is applicable, leave this box blank. And box 14. Enter in the CUSIP number of the tax-exempt bond for which tax-exempt interest is reported in box 8. Finally, enter a unique accounting number and check the second TIN box if you were notified by the IRS twice within 3 calendar years that the payee provided an incorrect TIN, so that the IRS doesn't send you any more notices about this account. To proceed with the e-filing process, click Next to enter your state information. If you have any questions or need further assistance on filling out your Form 1099 INT, feel free to contact our dedicated support team here in Rock Hill, South Carolina at 704-839-2270 or send us an email to support@expressirsforms.com.